नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मे सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः ब्रह्मोवाच न ह्यादिमध्यान्तमजस्य यस्य विद्मो वयं सर्वमयस्य धातुः न च स्वरूपं न परं स्वभावं न चैव सारं परमेश्वरस्य. So in this fourth amsha, the starting of the first adhyaya was an enumeration of the Manu Vamsham. So in that, Revata is a king who goes to Brahmaloka with his daughter in order to find a proper groom for his daughter. So there are two Gandharvas, Haha and who are singing. So he also sits and listens. It is as if just a moment passed by, even though they were singing for a long time. Yet in that sabha, it just passed like a minute. Then in reality, it was in Brahmalokam, hence there were centuries and actually yugams that had passed in the Bhumi. He was not aware of that. So when Brahma came out and asked him, why are you here? So Revata king, he replied that I came here, this is the list of people whom I have in mind for my daughter. Will you please look at this list and tell me who is the best person for my daughter? So Brahma, he smiled a little and said, he is not even aware of the passage of time. So what do I tell him? So then he says, ye atra, who are all in this list, the sons and grandsons and their entire lineage is gone right now. There is nobody on the earth whom you think is the proper vara for your daughter. Then after thinking, so he gets a little upset about it and he doesn't know what to do for his daughter. So he asks Brahma to suggest another person who is the proper person for Revati. So Brahmovacha, this is where I think we finished with the 85th shloka. So Brahma starts off on a stuti towards Vishnu to say that Vishnu's amsha, Balarama, is right now in the Dwapara Yuga. So in the passage of time, someone very beautifully explained how it is. We sleep at night and then when we wake up for an alarm, you keep an alarm, you sleep and then you wake up. And then once the alarm rings, you want to sleep for some more time. So you shut off the alarm at 5:30 and then just say, okay, 5 minutes and go to sleep. But then suddenly you wake up and you find that it is 7:30. It's about 2.5 hours would have passed, but it would seem like just 2 minutes. That's the concept of passage of time. Which you have to multiply it into probably much more yuga range for Revata Raja. That is how he must have felt. All I did was sit here and listen to music for a moment. That's all, right? But then how did yugas go by? So Brahmovacha nahi adimadhyantam ajasya yasya ajasya adimadhyantam na vidmaha. So I don't know about the beginning or sustenance or end portion of Aja, the one who is not born, that is the supreme entity. Sarvamayasya dhatuhu tasya adi madhya antam vayam na janimaha. So I don't understand about the utpatti of Bhagavan, utpatti of the supreme entity, nor do I understand the swarupam, nacha swarupam, na param swabhavam, not of the nature of that, nor his essence, parameshwarasya saramapi na janima. Kala muhurtadimayascha kalaha na yad vibhutehe parinama hetuhu. Ajanma nashasya sadaika murtehe anamarupasya sanatanasya. So he is Sanatana, whose vibhuti, for which kalam does not become a hetu. It is not a cause for the parinamam in his vibhuti. Or there is no parinama for that supreme entity. There is no transformation for that supreme entity. Hence, he is not bound by time. Anything which is bound by time will always be within the limits of transformation. Because you are within the limit of time, there is a change, there is a transformation because of that. Since he is not a parichinna vastu, he cannot be bound by time also. He doesn't have a transformation, therefore. Okay, so ajanma anasha. He neither does he have a birth nor does he have a destruction. Sada ekamurtehe avikarya swarupaha tasya. There is no form, there is no name for him. He is the most ancient supreme entity. Yasya prasadat, yasya achyutasya prasadat, atra achyutah iti na kevalam Vishnoho padam atra tu achyuta iti kutastha nitya swarupasyaiva padatvena svikartavyaha. So we have to take that achyuta as someone who doesn't move away from his natural state, whatever is his state. So na chavate nalvardillaengro kutastha nityaha iti. Tasya prasadateva Brahma swayam vadati. He says, I am a creator because of his prasada. Yasya prasadadaham achyutasya bhutaha prajasrishtikaraha antakari. Aham prajasrishtikaraha bhutaha. I was made into a creator by his prasadam, by his grace. Antakari krodhacha rudraha. By his krodham, by his anger, Rudra was born as the annihilator, as the destructor. Sthiti hetu bhutaha yasmacha madhye purushaha parasmat. Parasmat purushat. You had a Purusha, the Purusha format, which is Vishnu, who was present in the middle of the creation of the universe as a Sthitikarta or a sustenance, one who maintains. Tadrupam astaya srijatyajah yaha sthitau cha yo asau purushaswarupi Rudraswarupena chayo atti vishvam dhatte tatha ananta vapuhu samastam. Tadrupamastaya ajaha srijati yaha sthitau yaha tadrupamastaya ajaha yaha ajaha bhutva. ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
கீதா பிரஸ்ல மத்ரூபமாஸ்தாயன் இருக்கு.
அப்ப பெட்டர். கரெக்ட். தத்ரூபம்னா ஏன ரூபேண பிரஜாஹா சிருஜ்யந்தே தத்ரூபேணன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்படி நான் இது பண்ணியிருப்பேன், என்ன பண்ணுறது. மத்ரூபம் இஸ் பெட்டர். ஸோ மத்ரூபமாஸ்தாய சிருஜதி அஜஹா யஹா. ஸோ யஹா மத்ரூபமாஸ்தாய, த ஒன் ஹூ டேக்ஸ் ஆன் மை ஃபார்ம், that is as a Brahma, as creator, Chaturmukha Brahma, asthaya, taking on that form, he srijati, he creates the living beings and the world, universe. Yaha sthitau sthitikale, during the sustenance time of this entire universe, he takes on the roopam of Purusha. Purushaha tu atra sarvatra antaryamittvena yaha tishtati saha Vishnuhu iti. So Purusha swarupi bhutva. So one who is taken on the swarupam of Purusha, which is Vishnu, during Sthitikalam. Rudra swarupena cha, taking on the swarupam, the form of Rudra, yaha Vishwam atti, one who, attina literally eats. So one who takes in the entire world. So merges the entire world, dissolves the entire world. Tatha samastam anantavapuhu dhatte. Tatha, in the same manner, he also bears everything in his body which is ananta, which is endless. Bears everything garche samastam anantavapuhu saha bhutva. He is the adhara for this entire world. So anantavapuhu, he is with the body of Ananta, in the sense that which is endless, he is able to sustain this entire universe also. So the universe is not just created and left alone to survive, but he is there to protect it, and he also merges it within them. And as it is existing, even during that time, he has the entire universe on himself as Ananta. So because his form is endless, he is able to hold on to the entire universe in himself also. So Ananta here also refers to Shesha Akara. So Shesha Akaratvena tatra taking on the form of Ananta Shesha, he bears the entire world. This has this is better because अनन्तस्यैव अंशत्वेन बलदेवः तत्र avatarayati, right? So that is why mentioning Ananta as not just endless but as Shesha makes more sense. So Shesha is the serpent format who is supposed to be underneath the entire Brahmandam. He is carrying the Brahmandam on his head. Balrama is an amsha of Sheshavatara. Yeah. So Anantarupena saha samastam dhatte. So he is the only person who is fit for Revati. Adhikahanga is bringing that in here. Pakaya yo agnitvam upaiti lokan bibharti prithvi vapuhu avyayatma shakradi rupi paripati vishwam arkendu rupascha tamo hinasti. He is also taking on the form of the 5 elements here. And Indra, Lokapala. So Shakradi Rupi Paripati ityukte tatra Lokapala Rupena Sayeva Tishtati iti. Vishnu eva Tishtati atra. Pakaya, in order to transform things, change things, he is the Agni Swarupam. So usually we say when crops transform or even when fruits become ripe, there needs to be some kind of a heat which transforms it. So any transformation happens because of heat, because of fire. So he takes on the form of fire. Yaha agnitvam upaiti. He becomes Agni in order to transform things in this world. And then Prithvi Vapuhu, Abhyayatma Saha, Abhyayatma, Abhyaya, one who has no change. So Abhyayatma Saha, Prithvi Rupam Asthaya. So he takes on the form of Prithvi Vapuhu Bhutva, Lokan Bibharti. He bears people on himself because he takes on the form of Prithvi himself. Shakradi Rupi Bhutva Vishwam Paripati. He protects the entire world by taking on the forms of the Lokapalas, Shakra, Indra, etc. Indu, Arka Indu Rupaha cha Tamaha Hanti. So he removes tamas, darkness, by taking on the form of Arka, Surya, sun, and Indurupa, moon. So during the day it is the sun which removes the darkness. During the night it is the moon which removes the darkness. That is also the supreme entity who takes on these forms. So in other words, Sarvam Vishnumayam Vityeva. Karoti Cheshtaha Shvasana Swarupi, Shvasana Vayu. So Vayu Swarupi Bhutva, he takes on the form of Vayu, and Cheshtaha Karoti, he is responsible for all kinds of actions in this world. Cheshtaha Karoti. Yes. Lokasya Triptim cha Jalanna Rupi Dadati Vishwasthiti Samsthitastu Sarvavakasham cha Nabhaswarupi. Okay, Shvasana Swarupi Cheshtaha Karoti. He is of the form of Vayu, hence he is responsible for actions because it is the air, movement of air that creates actions in our body. And then Lokasya Triptim Jala Anna Rupi Bhutva Karoti. So Jala Anna Rupi, he takes on the form of Jalam and Annam. He is food and he is water, hence he provides Tripti, satisfaction for the world. Vishwasthiti Samsthitaha tu Nabhaswarupi Bhutva. So he takes on the Swarupam of Nabhaha, Akasham, and Vishwasthiti Samsthitaha, Sun. Sthitinaale it has to, அதாவது இருப்புங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, existence. So Vishwasya exist for the sake of the existence, he has to be there. If the Akasham is not there, there is no space for the world to exist as such. So the space itself is a concept which is necessary for existence. So Nabhaswarupi, he takes on the form of Akasha or Nabhaha, space, and he is responsible in which Samsthitaha, he in whom the existence of Vishwam, Vishwasthitihi yasmin Samsthitaha vartate. So Vishwasya Sthitihi Samsthita Yatra iti Vishwa Sthiti Samsthitaha Saha. So he who is present within the Vishwa, or he who gives space for the existence of the Vishwa. Appadi sarva avakasham dadati. So he gives a space for all of these things to exist by being the space itself. Karoti cheshtaha shvasana swarupi lokasya triptim cha jalanna rupi dadati vishwasthiti samsthitastu sarvavakasham cha nabhaswarupi. यस्सृज्यते सर्गकृत आत्मना एव यः पाल्यते पालयिता च देवः विश्वात्मकः संह्रियते अंतकारी पृथक् त्रयस्य अस्य च यो अव्ययात्मा. यः अव्ययात्मा वर्तते, the supreme paramatma who is अव्यय. व्ययम नाम you can separate him. Here there is no part for him, so he is the partless entity, atman. So yaha paramatma vartate, saha atmana eva with his own sargakrit bhutva, adhaadu atmanam atmana eva srijati, atmanam atmana eva palayati, atmanam atmana eva samharati. Idudha in the shlokathla. So we have to somehow connect all of those. So sargakrita bhutva, he is first a person who creates sarga, creation, sargakrita, one who creates the creations, the world. So sargakrita bhutva, being a creator, atmana eva, using himself as the material cause, yaha srijyate, he himself is being created. Inge srijyate engarthu he creates illa, he is being created. It is in karmani prayoga here. So what does it mean? Bhagavan himself, he is the potter, he is the mud also, and he is the resultant pot also. There are no three things here. He is the creator, he uses himself as the material cause, which is Maya, the Panchabhutatmakam Maya. With that Panchabhuta, he creates himself, which is this Vishwam. Whatever is the material cause is the effect also. If the effect cannot be something very different from the material. The pot cannot be a plastic pot if it is made from a mud. So if it is made from a mud, it has to be a mud pot. So since he is the material here, Paramatma is the material here, then whatever has been created is also himself. So the Vishwam which is created from the Maya is also Paramatma. The one who creates this Vishwam is also Paramatma. The Maya or the material cause is also Paramatma. So Sargakriti Atmana eva yaha srijyate, one who is being created, which is the Vishwam. The same follows in the rest also. So yaha devaha bhutva, that is Vishnu, one who is stays as Vishnu, who is the Sthitikarta, Palayita Sanna, who is the protector, and he is being protected, Palyate. So the Vishwam that is being protected is also himself. Vishwatmakaha saha, being of the form of this entire Vishwam. Antakari bhutva, he is the one who also swallows this entire Vishwam into himself. He is the destroyer also, and samhriyate, he is being destroyed also. In other words, Vishwatmakaha bhutva, Vishwatmakaha eva atra samhriyate. The Vishwam is being collapsed within Bhagavan, within the Paramatma, because the Paramatma now takes on the role of Antakari, Rudraha. Prithak prithak trayasya asya trayasya asya prithak prithak vartate. So the Rupam, so you can take it as there are three different kinds of Rupam for him, and he stands separately, yet at the same time he is Avyayatma, he cannot be destroyed at all. He may take on these three different roles, like an actor on a stage. Adha Yasmin Jagat Yaha Jagat Etad Adyaha Yascha Ashritaha Asmin Jagati Swayambhuhu Sa Sarvabhuta Prabhavaha Dharitriam Swamshena Vishnuhu Nrupate Avatirnaha Sayeva Vishnuhu Swa Amshena, with a portion of himself, Dharitriyam avatirnaha, he has taken on an avatara in this Dharitri Bhumi. Sarvabhuta Prabhavaha. So, who is this Vishnu who has taken on an Amshavatara? Yasmin Jagat Vartate, in whom this entire world is present, is supported. Adyaha etat Jagat cha yaha. Yaha etat Adyaha Jagat. One who is this world, ancient world. That the first world that was formed itself was Bhagavan himself. So, who is of the form of the world also, and in whom the world is present. Yascha ashritaha. இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் எப்படின்னா, you take a Play-Doh. So, you form some different objects with that Play-Doh and the clay, right? You use a modeling clay and you create objects. So, where is that object? That object is present within the clay. And the object is also the clay. அதுதாங்க Yasmin Jagate Vidyate. You create a house out of that modeling clay, then that house, where is that house? The house is present inside that clay. Now, what is this house? That house is also that clay. There is no difference between the two of them. அதுதாங்க அபின்ன நிமித்தோபாதானம். நிமித்த காரணமபி ததேவ, உபாதான காரணமபி ததேவ. यश्च आश्रितः अस्मिन् जगति स्वयंभूः. यः स्वयंभूः, one who is present स्वयं, अर्थात स्वयं भवति इति स्वयंभूः. There is no other cause for him. He is the supreme entity who has been present always. So सः स्वयंभूः एव. And he sustains because of this world. That is, we understand him because of this world. Otherwise, we are unable to understand him at all. So, yaha asmin jagati ashritaha vartate. One who is present in this world. How do we understand him? Adha and the first shlokam in Shakuntalathla varum. Ya srishti srashtur adya vahati vitihutam yahabir yachahotri. Yellame அஷ்டாபிஹி வஸ்தனுபிஹி அவதுவஸ்தாபிர் அஷ்டாபிர் ஈஷா. அங்க பரமேஸ்வரன் பாப்பர். So Kalidasa looks at Parameshwara as having his form are 8 different forms. What are the forms? One is Prithvi, one is Jalam, Up, Vayu, Tejas, Suryan, Chandran, Yajamana, Jivan. All of these are him. And that Sarvatma Bhava is what he is trying to say here. So Asmin Jagati Swayambhuhu ashritaha vartate. So he is present in this world also. Sarvabhuta prabhavaha is the cause for all of the living beings. Swa amshena saha Vishnuhu, with his one portion avatirnaha. He has taken on an avatara in this Dharitri Bhumi. Kushasthali ya tava bhuparamya puri pura bhutam avaravatiwa sa dvaraka samprati tatra cha aste sa keshavamshaha baladeva nama. Ya tava, he bhupa, O king, Revata, ya tava ramya nagari kushasthali pura abhut Amaravati iva. Amaravati iva, just like Swarga's capital, Amaravati, Indra's city. This Kushasthali, which was your beautiful city, which was there before, pura abhut, sa adhuna samprati dwaraka vartate. So the same Kushasthali is now renamed as Dwaraka. Tatracha, in that Dwaraka, saha Keshavamshaha Baladeva nama aste. The Amsha, the part of Keshava, whose name is Baladeva, he is present in that Dwaraka, which was before Kushasthali, which was your beautiful city. Tasmai tvam enam tanayam narendra prayacha maya manujasya jayam maya manujaya jayam shlaghyo varosau tanaya tavayam striratna bhuta sadrusho hi yokaha. Tasmai maya manujaya tvam enam tanayam jayam prayacha. Give your daughter as a wife, Jaya, to that Maya Manuja, one who has taken on the form of a human through Maya, one who has taken on this, who is in the form of a Manushya. So, Manushyaavatarena tatra agataha, Baladevaha iti. So, tasmai prayacha, give your daughter in hand to him. Varaha asau shlaghyaha. He is the most praiseworthy Varaha. He is the most praiseworthy groom. Tava tanaya iyam cha stri ratna bhuta. And your daughter is also the greatest among women. Ratna bhuta nama sreshta bhuta iti. Ratnam is a word that is used to indicate sreshta, not necessarily gem. Sadrishaha hi yogaha. This yoga, this union will be sadrisha. It is perfect. It is the most worthy union between the two, because one is the most praiseworthy groom and the other is the best among women. Tasmai tvamenam tanayam prayachha narendra prayachha maya manujaya jayam shlaghyo varosau tanaya taveyam stri ratna bhuta. So these two, this is like a Kavyalingam and Arthantaranyasa Alankara. Sadrisho hi yogaha abdingarthu is an Arthantaranyasa Alankara. Also, along with it is a justification for the first part. So Kavyalinga Alankaram also. Parashara uvacha itiritosav kamalodbhavena bhuvam samasadya patif prajanam dadarsha hraswan purushan virupan alpaujasaha swalpa viveka viryan. Parashara uvacha. So Parashara continues the story. He says, iti iritaha asau. Asau prajanam patihi. The king of all the subjects, which is the Revata Raja, being said thus by Kamalodbhavena, by Brahma. Bhuvam asadya, he came to Bhumi and he saw that all of the people were all shorter in stature. They had very little strength. Idu Dwapara Yugatike. I don't know what he would have said when he sees Kali Yuga people here. So Hraswan Purushana, they were all smaller in stature. Virupana, they were not as good looking as before, different form. Alpaujasaha, very less of strength. And then Swalpa Viveka Viryana, their Vivekam, discriminating power was also very less. And Alpa Viryam, Viveka Heenam, in fact, Swalpa Viveka, they had very less Viveka and very less strength also. Kushasthalim tamcha purim upetya drishtva anyarupam pradadau sakanyam sirayudhaya spatikachalabha vakshasthalaya atuladhihi narendraha. Saha narendraha tam Kushasthalim Purim Upetya. He goes to his original city of Kushasthali and sees Anyarupam Kanyam. Sorry. Upetya. Anyarupam Kanyam Drishtva. Anyarupam Kushasthalim Drishtva. Sorry. Kanyam Sirayudhaya Pradadau. Apdi connect. So Saha Narendraha Atuladhihi, one whose buddhi cannot be compared at all. That is why he sees all of these people as Alpa Buddhi. So Atuladhihi Saha Narendraha, that king, he goes and sees Kushasthali in a different format completely. Anyarupam Purim Tam Kushasthalim Drishtva. Upetya Anyarupam Drishtva. He goes to Kushasthali and seeing that it is of a different format than what he was used to before. Namble vande, if we go to a city after 2 months, suddenly there will be new buildings in that part of the city. If we have not visited it for a couple of months, let's say, and then we go there, shoo mari pedte, I don't even recognize my own neighborhood abdingralla. And madri he has come after yugas. So how can he recognize Anyarupam Drishtva, seeing his own city in a completely different format? He gave his daughter to Sirayudha, to Balarama, who has the Sira, the plow, as an Ayudham. And he also has a Vakshasthalam, which is of the Abhana color of a Spatika Achalam. Spatikam pola minrara. Spatikam is actually something that can reflect any color that is there nearby. So he doesn't have a white body, Gaurangahangro, but it's more like Spatikam, Shuddha Spatika Sankasham. We say Parameshwara is like that. He describes Balarama as Shuddha Spatika. So Spatika Achala Abha Vakshasthala. One whose Vakshasthala is like that of a crystal. It has the luster of a crystal mountain. Spatikachala abha vakshasthalaya sirayudhaya balrama baladevaya saha kanyam pradadau, he gave his daughter in marriage. Uchapramanamapi uchapramanam ititam avekshya swalangalagreena cha talaketuhu vinamrayamasa or vinamayamasa tatascha sapi babhuva sadyo vanita yatha anya. Uchapramanam, she was very tall, and all of her she was actually pramanam nale measure. Everything was according to her height and weight and everything. It was proper, but at the same time it was completely magnified, some 100x magnified madri irunda. So uchapramanam tam, seeing that she was of a different and greater measure, Balrama tam avekshya, seeing her, swalangala agrena tataha vinamrayamasa, he made her smaller using the edge of his langala, which is the plow. Swalangala agrena, the moment she touched her foot on that plow, she immediately reduced to a normal size of the people around her. So Talaketuhu here refers to Balrama, whose Ketu, whose flag is of idu Panamaro, la palm tree. So Talaketuhu saha swalangala agrena, with the edge of his plow, he vinamrayamasa, he made her small, and sa api, she too, anya vanita yatha tatha sadyaha babhuva, just as how other women are, in the same way she also became immediately, she became to the measure of other people around, other women around. Tam revatim raivata bhupakanyam sirayudhaha asau vidhina upayeme datvatha kanyam sanripo jagama himalayam vai tapase dhritatma. Tam revatim raivata bhupakanyam tam revatim sirayudhaha asau vidhina upayeme. Asau sirayudhaha, this Balrama, vidhina upayeme, he married according to the rituals, he married that Revati, who was the daughter of Raivata Bhupaha. Revata Bhupaha, Raivata Bhupaha, both are fine. So Saha Nripaha Kanyam Dattva, having given his daughter in marriage to Balrama, Dhritatma, with the very chitta aikagriena, concentrated mind, Dhrita Atma, tapase dhritatma himalayam jagama athava tapase himalayam jagama. In order to do tapas, perform tapas, he went to Himalayas. Iti Shri Vishnu Mahapurane Chaturtamshe Prathamodhyayah. With this, the first adhyaya is over. So we had the story of Revati marrying Balrama. Now we'll go to the second adhyaya. Atha dvitiyodhyayah Ikshvaku Vamsha Varnana Saubhari Charitrancha Shri Parashara Uvacha. Yavaccha Brahmalokat saha kakudmi raivataha na abhyeti tavat punyajana samjnaha rakshasaha tam asya purim kushasthalim nijagnuhu. So until the time that this Raivata Raja Kakudmi abdinna, I think Kakudmingardu vandu Vamsha Jataha, I think, or he was born in the Vamsha of Kakudman. Idukkum ipo Kakutsthahan irukku illaya, but Kakutstha is usually
புல்லுங்கிறத சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஆமா, அதாவது ஒரு ஹம்ப் மேல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு சண்டை போட்டார் இந்திரனுக்கு இது பண்ணி, அதனால காக்குத்ஸ்தகான்னு பேரு. ஸோ அந்த வம்சத்துல வந்தவர். அப்புறம் தான் இக்ஷ்வாக்கு வரார். ஸோ ககுத்மான் காக்குத்ஸ்தகா மஸ்ட் ஹவ் பீன் பிஃபோர் இக்ஷ்வாக்கு. ஓகே. ஸோ சஹா அண்ட் பிஃபோர் ரேவதா ஆல்சோ, அதுதான் இருக்கணும். Kakudmi, or one who stood on a hump and fought with the Asuras as part of Indra's army. So there are many Rajas who used to go and help Indra fight the Asuras. So one of them was Kakudman. Adula vandu he took a form of the bull, Kakudman. Kakudungaradu is the hump of the bull. Indra stood on the hump of the bull. The bull is actually the king. Okay, one who was in this Surya Vamsha. So since Indra stood on him and fought, the bull was called and the Rajaka Kakudman peru. So everybody who came in that Vamsha were also called Kakudmi or Kakutstha idi. So this Raivata, Yavat Brahmalokata na abhyeti, until the time that he did not come from Brahmalokam, Tavat, in that meantime, Punyajana Samgyaha Rakshasaha, Rakshasas who were also Yakshas, Punyajana. So Punyajana is a name that is a terminology that is used to refer to Rakshasas or Yaksha, sometimes Kinnara. So Punyajana is actually referring to Rakshasas here who are a particular class of being called Punyajana. So among the Yakshas also there can be people who are who have that tendency of a Rakshasa. So Rakshasa is not a clan of beings like when you take Ravana, he is a Rakshasa nu solrache, he is a Brahmana but he has the mentality of a Rakshasa. Rakshasa is not a class by itself. It only refers to the attitude of the people. So Punyajana Samgyaha, there were a set of Yakshas who became Rakshasas and they destroyed this Puri, Kushasthali, which belonged to Raivata Raja. Tacha asya bhratrishatam punyajana trasat dishaha bheje. Hundreds of this Raivata Raja's brothers, there were hundreds of brothers, so he was the first among the 100 brothers. We saw that before itself in the earlier Adhyaya as an introduction to Raivata Raja. Bhratrishatam, all of the 100 brothers, Punyajana Trasat, out of fear from these Yakshas who had turned into Rakshasas, Dishaha Bheje, they ran to different directions. Tadanvayaha cha Kshatriyaha Sarvadikshu Abhavan. So the 100 kings who ran to different directions, they established their kingdom or they had progeny there, and Tadanvayaha, their lineage, Kshatriyas were born in all directions right now. Drishtasyapi Dharshtakam Kshatram Abhavat Nabhagasya Atmajaha. Now we go back to the first 10 Raja Ikshwaku Vamsha. And the 10 Raja ku pokanum inga. The first statement or first one or two adula vandu there were Dashaputraha nu paathom first adhyayathila. If you look at page number 2, அங்க இருக்கு மனோஹோ இக்ஷ்வாகுஹு திருஷ்டஹ ஷர்யாதி நரிஷ்யந்தம் நாபாக நேதிஷ்ட. அதை இங்கே சொல்லிட்டு வர. He is continuing with those 10 sons. Drishtasyapi Dharshtakam Kshatram Abhavat. He had a son called Dharshtaka. Nabhagasya Atmajaha Nabhaga Samgyaha Abhavat. Nabhagasya Putraha api Nabhagaha eva asit. Right? Tasyapi Ambarishaha. Nabhagasya Putraha Ambarishaha. So Ambarishasyapi Virupaha Abhavat. His son was called Virupa. Virupat Prishadashvaha Jagnye. Prishadashva was born to Virupa. Tataha cha Rathitaraha. So from Prishadashva, Rathitara was born. Atra ayam shlokaha, there is the shloka about the descendants of Rathitara. Ete kshatra prasutaha vai punascha angirasaha smritaha Rathitaranam pravaraha kshatropetaha dvijatayaha. So Kshatra prasutaha, these Kshatriya descendants were also called Angirasaha. They were also so Rathitarasya Pravaragotrajaha Kshatra prasutaha. Since they were all born to Rathitara, who is a Kshatriya, yet Kshatriyaha api Aprajasya Rathitarasya Bharyayam Angirasaha Jataha. So Rathitara did not have any child Kshatriya, just as how, and the Chitrangada and Vichitra Virya did not have any children. So through Vyasa, the others were born. The Dhritarashtra and others. In the same way here also, through Angiras, Rathitara had children. Rathitara's wife had children. So that is why his followers are called Angirasa. सो भार्यायाम् आङ्गिरसाः जातत्वात् तथापि तयोः योगात् पुनः आङ्गिरसः ब्राह्मणाः स्मृताः अतः क्षत्र उपेताः द्विजातयः सो दीस् आर् आल् क्षत्रोपेताः द्विजातयः they have the kshatriya quality in them at the same time they were also called brahmanas so this is the descendant of Rathitara right now okay kshutavatascha manoho now another manu kshutavatascha manoho ikshvaku putraha jagnye ghranatah so ikshvaku was born to the manu called kshutavan or kshutavataha putraha so kshutavat engiradhu eduthukano tasya manoho ghranatah putratvena saha jatah beyond the 100 तस्य अधिकपुत्रशतस्य प्रवराः ओके तस्य पुत्रशतप्रधानाः विकुक्षि निमि दण्डाख्याः त्रयः पुत्राः बभूवुः बियॉन्ड so for this Ikshvaku Raja there were 3 children who were born Ikshvaku was born from the Ghranam of idu Kshatavat ஒரு நிமிஷம் Kshutavatta among he had 100 children ngra who had 100 children tasya ngarche inge tasya would be Ikshvaku okay Ikshvaku had 100 children so putra shatam asit tasya Ikshvakoho teshu or putra shate pradhanaah ke iti chet vikukshi nimi danda these are the 3 children who were mukhyam who were the most important among the 100 children who were born to Ikshvaku adana Ikshvaku vamsha Shakuni pramukhaha panchashat putraha there were 50 so these 3 uttutu apram vandu there are 50 plus 48 paakano inge eppadi 48 nu therla 50 plus 48 அப்புறம் 2 தானே இருக்கணும் 3 எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு தெரியல சரி 101 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணுமா என்னமோ so Shakuni Pramukhaha there were 50 starting from Shakuni who were Uttarapatha Rakshitaraha Babhuvuhu they became the protector of the Uttarapatha the northern direction and then another 48 Chatvarimshad Ashtau Chatvarimshat is 40 Ashtau is 8 so 48 became the kings of the southern direction Dakshinapatha Bhupalaha Asan Sacha Ikshvakuhu Ashtakayaha Shraddham Utpadya Shraddharham Mamsam Anaya iti Vikukshim Ajnapayamasa. Now we go into a story about this Ikshvaku Raja. The Saubhari Charitram apra varaporudhu. So we will go into this next class. Okay. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vacham Tato Jayamudirayet.
இந்த ஸ்டோரி பாகவதத்துலயும் இருக்கா
தெரியலையே எனக்கு நான் அவ்வளோ தூரம் படிக்கல இல்லை பாகவதத்தில் இருக்கான்னு கேட்குறா இது வந்து நான் அவ்வளோ தூரம் படிக்கல எனக்கு தெரியல 5வதுல வரணும் வருது இல்லையா ஏதாவது சிலது வரும்
ஆமாம் எல்லா புராணம்னாலே இட் ஷுட் ஹேவ் ஆல் திஸ் அப்படிங்கிற லட்சணத்துல வருது இல்லையா
ஆமாமா மனு வம்சாவதால
கொஞ்சம்
இருக்கும் பட் இட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் which king's story is being highlighted and setங்கிறது will differ
சொல்றாங்க அந்த ஆடியன்ஸ் தந்த மாதிரி அப்ப கதை சொல்லிருப்பான்
அதான் கரெக்ட்
Recording stop.